morning, guys. So I just woke up. Today is the day that we slay. Yes, honey. I'm gonna do my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna take it on the journey because we just want to do it and get it out of the way. I just want to do it and get it out of the way. Yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that has purchased a candle so far. And if you do want to purchase more candles, you certainly can. Just hit a girl up on the business page, the Pretty Dolls Vibe, or my personal page, Julsztymm. All payments can be done by bank transfer or through PayPal. Come and support a black business. Come and support your girl Julsztymm in this candle making business. I will also be making my own lip glosses very soon. I'm just currently the stage that I'm at. I'm still at the drawing board. Like, I want my lip glosses to be something phenomenal, and I don't want just basic colors or basic flavoring. Obviously I'm gonna have the generic things like the popular ones that everyone really loves, but I want to incorporate something different. I want my lip gloss line to be like, whoa girl, you know, like something just nice and different and all that stuff. So that's why I'm taking my time with it. I'm developing the flavors, the colors, all of that stuff, you know, the actual lip gloss tubes that I want to use. I just want to be a bit different. I just, you know, so it's gonna be a while before I really launch my own lip glosses, but when I do, I know it's gonna be wonderful because I'm putting my soul, my heart, my love, everything into it. Even the flavorings, I'm so excited to actually release the collections because the flavorings, the names, they're so cute. Like, they're really cute, and I'm excited for one particular lip gloss collection that I'm going to be coming out with because no one's really done it before. No one's really done that before like that. So I'm just like, sis, your thing have a buzz. Your thing has a buzz, and I can't wait to come out with it. But yeah, I've just come to say today is slay day. We are going to slay this hair of mine, and yeah, man, I'm excited to really see what this year has to offer. Big up on herself. And I'll be back. I'm gonna try and show you guys how I do the hair. I'm gonna try, but don't hold me at it. Like, I'm gonna try, but if it don't work, like, you understand, saying no work in it, but I'm gonna try. I'm going to try. Yeah, so I will see you soon, my love. No, my old Jules, my new in between Jules, and me good. So I've just finished doing my hair. No, this outer water, my head look biggie, man. Let me just turn this down quickly. Yeah, so I'm currently in a group. I don't know if you guys know about Clubhouse or whatever the case is. So that's what you heard in the background. I'm just listening to people. I just be listening, you know. I'm not much of a talker. I'm not much of a talker. No. My head look biggie, man. She's my head look really big. Anywho, yeah, my head look big. I just thought I'd come in and check in. My beard, my clean, me feel fresh. I'm going to eat now, and then I will be back we're gonna juice together. We're gonna juice, and then yeah, that's about it, to be honest. Nothing is really happening today. Yeah, nothing is really happening today, so this is it. I don't really, you know, it's a pandemic. It's a pandemic, so I'm not gonna be going out because it's a pandemic. Nobody goes out in a pandemic. I mean, the brave hearts do, but I don't. I'm in my house, just chilling, vibes in. I think I'm gonna also read a book. I feel like I'm gonna get into reading. Like this year, I want this year to be purposeful. Is that the word? Purposeful, or filled with purpose. I want to be I want to do a lot more intentional things to do with my life, which is why I bought the budget planner, which is why I bought the planner, the year planner, because I want to write down everyone's birthday in it. That means the world to me, so I know when their birthday is coming up, because my memory is kind of, sometimes it just gets a bit too hectic up there. And as I said, the journal, the Bible journal, or because I said I want to get closer to God. I want to be in his word. I want to know more about him. I want to know more about how the whole Christian faith works. I'm a firm believer in God, but I need to teach myself as well. Do you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna go make some healthy smoothie with y'all, and then we can just chill. Today's really a slow day. Not much is going on. Yeah, that's it really. So come along with Julsz, you know the vibes already. But yeah, man, big up on yourself, my love on her. If you're not subscribed, please just subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, please go over to my business page, The Pretty Dolls Vibe, and please also follow that page. What else I have to tell you? I am an author. If you don't know, I'm an author, a self-published author. Yeah, my book is called Love on Two Soils. It is on Amazon, so if you haven't purchased my book, please do purchase it. You'll help a sister out. I'm currently in the process of writing another one. It is fictional, and it's gonna be a banger, so wait on it. When it drops, just you're gonna be like, this is saucy. So yeah, I'll see you shortly. If you've gotten this part of the video, big up your nice clean self. As you can see here, I'm just writing out some business stuff, like I just take notes and whatever. As a future business owner, it's just important to implement certain things from now, and I also find that doing research is what is going to take my business to the next level. And if you are in the process of owning your own business, I would suggest doing all the research you can. Use all the outlets that are there available to you. Instagram, Google, Snapchat, TikTok, everything is there for your use, for a purpose. So use it to the best of your abilities. As you can see right now, I'm just literally scrolling through a motivational business page that kind of keeps me grounded and stuff like that. I just flick through a lot of things when I'm on my phone. As you can see, my fingers just keep on tapping, and that's what it's about. You just gotta research, baby girl. Just do your thing and research. If you just would like some business videos, like why I started the business, or how it's going at the moment, or like a vendor's list, or anything relating to a business, please do leave a comment down below, and I will try and prepare that video for you ASAP. Right here, I'm just literally logging on. The reason why I didn't block out the screen is because I just don't look at personal information. Did I go on Pandesa? So yeah. So I had to block it out for that reason. But y'all don't want to see my personal business, do ya? Nah, you don't. No, you do not. Right here, I literally bought Erica J's motivational ebook. That's all I want to say. Yeah, I was gonna say something. Yeah, never mind. I'm just literally reading through it and stuff like that. I did also take notes. She made a few pointers and stuff like that, so I did write it down. Yeah. You're eating me and I move. Yeah, I'm just writing down some of the stuff that she's telling us as business owners that we can do to really sustain a business, or how to, basically the book is really about being motivated. I kind of bought it because I kind of got the sense that it was going to be giving me a bit of insight on how to run a business or something along those lines, but it's more of a motivational ebook, to be honest. Right there you can see me filling out the lip gloss names that will be on the bottom of the lip gloss tubes. It is the most tedious and longest activity ever, but them say if you want good, your nose have to run. So my nose I run right now because goodness shall come. And yeah, that's it really. If you've gotten this far to the end of the video, big up your nice clean self. You know, so I love you a long time. I just want to say a massive thank you for all the support, the love, the like, the comment and the shares. Guys, we are getting to 5k. Each day that comes, we gain a new family member. So big up your nice clean self. To all the newbies, thank you so much. My old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz. You guys mean the world to me. I love you guys. Continue supporting me, continue sharing my content, because when you share my content, obviously YouTube recognizes it as being something good. Please, I'm begging you guys to engage with it a bit more though, because if you're not engaged with me, then good, YouTube not gonna see it as something good. And we want YouTube to push out our channel more. You hear how me call it our channel? Because I know that's my channel, you know. No. It's mine and yours. We are a family. We're in this together. So please do support me so I can support y'all and all them good stuff. But yeah, my lover now. Thank you for watching. Big up your nice clean self. My old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz, and my good timers. Love you. Bye. And please do like, comment and share. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Comment and share and subscribe. And that's on period.